it all right. But if you're asking me to betray my love, you know I won't abide, no, I won't abide, no, I won't oblige. I'm still alive, I'm still alive. With all of my fire, I wanna believe that you could never ever take my love from me. Never ever take my love from me. That as long as I'm so breathing, my heart remains free. I'm the kink in the ring, in the chains of your arm, with the steel arm come untied to laugh you fall into pieces, and have a half a mind to come at you swing and leave you melting in my hand just like a chocolate Jesus. And of you I am not afraid. I've got a rebel heart and eyes sharp as razor blades that cut through your fictions, present, past, and future, like a slug through the chest from an immaculate shooter. And I can handle the heat that you bringing at me or die.